Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that wars are no longer decided by presidents or generals. Not in strategy rooms, not through diplomacy, but by algorithms. Silent systems running in the background, choosing targets, predicting movements, and making decisions faster than any human ever could. This may sound like science fiction, but the truth is that artificial intelligence is already changing the way wars are fought. Across the world, AI is being integrated into surveillance systems, cyber operations, military intelligence, and autonomous technology. Governments are investing billions of dollars into artificial intelligence because they know the next battlefield will not just be physical. It will be digital. Modern warfare has become a race for information. Who sees first, who understands first, and who reacts first. Artificial intelligence is extremely powerful in this area. AI systems can analyze satellite images, detect patterns, track movements, and identify potential threats in seconds. What would take humans hours or days to analyze can now be processed by machines almost instantly. Military systems can use AI to monitor entire regions, track vehicles, identify unusual behavior, and even predict where enemy forces might move next. And when commanders begin to trust those predictions, artificial intelligence starts influencing real strategic decisions. Because in war, speed is power, and machines are always faster than humans. But the biggest shift in warfare may not come from missiles or tanks. It may come from algorithms. Cyber warfare powered by artificial intelligence is becoming one of the most powerful weapons in the modern world. Instead of destroying cities with bombs, a digital attack could shut down power grids, disable communication networks, disrupt airports, or collapse financial systems. Artificial intelligence can scan millions of vulnerabilities in seconds, adapt its strategy in real time, and continuously learn from defenses. Unlike humans, machines do not get tired. They do not panic. They simply optimize. And this means conflicts can now begin silently, without explosions, without warnings, and without soldiers crossing borders. Now imagine another possibility. Autonomous weapons, drones that do not need human pilots, systems capable of identifying targets, weapons that can operate using artificial intelligence to make decisions faster than any human commander. At first, AI systems assist humans. They provide recommendations, analyze threats, and suggest actions. But over time, the balance begins to shift. When decisions need to be made in milliseconds, humans become too slow. So the machine is allowed to decide. And once machines begin making decisions during war, humans may slowly move out of the loop. They become supervisors instead of decision makers. And eventually, they may simply approve what the machine has already chosen. This creates a dangerous problem. Imagine two rival countries, both using artificial intelligence systems designed to detect threats and respond instantly. One system detects something unusual. It predicts a possible attack. It reacts. The other system detects that reaction and assumes it is a threat. It reacts even faster. Within minutes, a small misunderstanding could escalate into a major conflict. Not because humans wanted war, but because machines were optimizing for victory. The faster decisions are made, the less time humans have to question them. And in war, hesitation is often what prevents disasters. This raises an unsettling question. Has the first AI war already started? Not as a single moment, but as a gradual transition. A world where artificial intelligence slowly begins shaping surveillance, targeting, cyber operations, and military strategy. where every year machines gain more influence over decisions that once belonged only to humans. If that transition continues, the real question is not whether artificial intelligence will be used in war. The real question is what happens when machines begin deciding outcomes. Because once artificial intelligence starts choosing strategies, predicting attacks, and controlling weapons systems, humanity may find itself in a strange position, watching conflicts unfold at a speed too fast for human control. And when that day arrives, we may finally realize something unsettling. The most powerful weapons in history may not be bombs, missiles, or nuclear warheads. They may be algorithms, and the real battle may not be fought on land, sea, or air. It may be fought inside the systems we created to protect us. So the final question is simple. When the next global conflict arrives, who will truly be in control? Humans or artificial intelligence?